Today we're breaking down all 4 Chase Ink business cards so that you can find the best card for your business. Plus I'll share why getting a small business card is a smart move, and I'll show you how you might be able to qualify for a card even if you think you don't. Let's get into it. Chase offers 4 different Ink business credit cards, each with its own set of benefits and rewards. Here's a quick rundown. Ink Business Unlimited. This card is simple and straightforward. It earns unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases with no categories to track and has a $0 annual fee. Ink Business Cash. If you spend on office supplies, gas stations, and dining, this card earns bonus cash back in these categories, plus it also has a $0 annual fee. Ink Business Preferred. This one is for business owners who want bonus rewards on travel, advertising, shipping, and on internet, cable, and phone services. Plus, it offers 25% more value when redeeming points through Chase Travel, and it allows point transfers to travel partners. This card has a $95 annual fee. Finally, the Ink Business Premier. This card earns 2.5% cash back on purchases of $5,000 or more and 2% on everything else. It has the highest annual fee of the Chase Ink cards at $195 a year. Now, if you're wondering if you can get a small business credit card, the answer is most likely yes. Now, I have a business because I run this YouTube channel and cardsandpoints.com. But even if you're a freelancer, independent contractor, self-employed, or a gig worker, in Chase's eyes, you have a small business. You don't need a formal business structure, an employer identification number, or a separate bank account to qualify. And your business doesn't even need to be making money yet. When you apply for a business credit card, you can use your own social security number, and if you don't have an office or business phone, you can simply use your personal phone number and home address on the application. Now, which Chase business credit card is right for you will depend heavily on your business's spending patterns and whether you value cashback or travel rewards. If you want simple cashback rewards on all of your business spending, you value simplicity, and you don't like annual fees, the Ink Business Unlimited is likely your best bet. With a $0 annual fee, you'll be keeping your costs low, and you'll earn 1.5% cash back everywhere without worrying about which card you should use for what purchase. And the thing that's really great about the Ink Unlimited is that you can actually use it alongside some of Chase's other cards if you want to optimize your wallet and earn the most rewards. Now, I'll get into how to do this in a bit, but let's look at the other cards first. If you like simplicity and cashback rewards, but you spend a lot on credit cards for your small business, then you'll probably want to look at the Ink Business Premier. The card earns 2.5% cashback rewards on purchases of $5,000 or more, plus 2% cashback rewards everywhere else. While the card does have a $195 annual fee, you'll make this up in the additional rewards you earn compared to the Ink Unlimited if you spend $40,000 on the card in a year or just $20,000 in large purchases. The biggest downside to the Ink Premier is that its rewards don't transfer to the other Chase cards, so it's best for business owners who want pure cashback rewards. Now, if you travel for business or want to redeem your rewards for travel, then the Ink Business Preferred card should be in your wallet. When you use the card to book your business travel, you'll get up to 3 points per dollar on your travel expenses, and you'll be covered by Chase's excellent travel insurance benefits like trip delay protection and primary rental car insurance when you're renting a car for your business. The card also earns up to 3 points per dollar in business categories like shipping, select social media and search engine advertising, and internet, cable, and phone services. You'll get 3 points per dollar until you spend a total of $150,000 per year in this card's bonus categories. After that, you'll earn just 1 point per dollar, like you'll earn on all of your other purchases. But where the card really shines is when you want to redeem your rewards. While you could redeem your rewards for cash back, you'll get 25% more value for them when you use them to book travel through Chase Travel. And if you're really into the rewards game, you can transfer your points to travel transfer partners and possibly get even more value from your rewards. And finally, we have the Ink Cash. Now, if you spend a lot of money at office supply stores or on internet, cable, and phone services, this card is a must-have. That's because it earns 5% back on these purchases on up to $25,000 spent each year. The card is also a decent choice for your gas and restaurant purchases, since you'll earn 2% cash back on these purchases, again on up to $25,000 of purchases each year in these categories. Since the card has no annual fee, there's little downside to carrying this card or adding it to your wallet alongside one of the other cards if you want to earn more rewards, especially in the Ink Cash's 5% bonus categories. Now, you might already have a personal credit card that earns great rewards, so why would you want to pick up a small business card? First, using a small business credit card for your business purchases can make your accounting and taxes easier. You can consolidate your expenses in one place, and Chase even lets you download all of your transactions as a spreadsheet or in a format that you can give to your accountant or import into your accounting software. Second, you can set up employee cards, which can give your employees the ability to make purchases for your business, eliminate the need to reimburse expenses charged to your employees' personal cards, and let you earn rewards on the purchases that they make. Finally, you can keep your business credit card balances off your personal credit report. If you're spending a lot on credit cards for your business, having a high statement balance reported to your credit report at the end of the month can devastate your excellent credit score. But if you use a small business credit card, these balances usually won't be reported to your personal credit report as long as you're paying your card on time. Now, if you really want to maximize the rewards on your small business purchases, you'll probably want to pick up more than one credit card, so we need to talk about Chase Ultimate Rewards. The Inc. Business Unlimited, Inc. Business Cash, and Inc. Business Preferred all earn Chase Ultimate Rewards. Even though the Inc. Unlimited and Inc. Cash are marketed as cashback cards, you can actually move the points you earn on these cards over to your Inc. Business Preferred card. The advantage of moving your points over to your Inc. Preferred is that you can then use those rewards for the unique travel redemption options available with the Inc. Preferred. Like I mentioned earlier, with the Inc. Preferred you can get 25% more value for your points when you redeem them through Chase Travel, and the card lets you transfer points to travel partners, which is how the travel rewards influencers get those fancy first-class flights. So this opens up a bunch of possibilities. When you add an Inc. Unlimited or Inc. Cash to your wallet, you can use the card that earns the most rewards for your spending and use your points with the most valuable redemption options available through the Inc. Preferred. I've put together a detailed guide covering all of the Chase Business Card rewards and benefits, which you'll find linked below. Plus, I've included our article on the best Chase credit card sign-up bonuses. Right now you can earn up to $1,000 with a new card. If you prefer to keep things simple, the Inc. Unlimited or Inc. Premier are great choices, depending on how much your business spends. But if you're looking to maximize travel rewards, pairing one or more of the no annual fee Inc. cards with the Inc. Preferred can be a game changer. If you need help choosing the best card for you, drop a comment down below and I'd love to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.